What you need to know about making money online. Couldn't you use some extra money? Are you in need of additional funds each month? You may be worried that it's impossible, but it's not. Check online to start making moolah. There are a variety of ways to make money online. The key is learning how to locate them. See to it that you are on the lookout for scams online. There are so many options for online income, but some are not that attractive. Before you jump into any online money-making scheme, read reviews of the service you're going to use. Find a niche that uses your unique talents to make the money online. Is writing something you succeed at? You can sell your articles online or freelance for companies who want you to write for them. Do you have a talent for graphic design? A lot of people can hire you to punch up their documents or sites. You will quickly learn what your most marketable talents are. If you write, try writing on sites like InfoBarrel and Squidoo. You will be developing articles on topics that you like, and you receive a portion of the income that is made. Even better, you can use Amazon affiliate opportunities on these sites to make even more. Make a daily schedule. Your income is absolutely tied to working hard daily. There isn't any way to get rich quick here. You have to put in the time necessary. Set aside a specific time for work every day. Even an hour a day can make a big difference over time. Look into surveys. There are many different surveys you can take. They're fun and easy. Although individual surveys do not always pay generously, your efforts pay off over time. However, you can easily do these things when you have some downtime, and you can make quite a bit of money when things add up. You should be ready to offer proof of your identity when pursuing online work. Most websites that offer pay for work need to verify your identity just like any other employer. If you haven't gotten a digital copy of your ID and other information, you may want to find these things before doing anything else. Make good use of your free time. There are quite a few things that can be done online that you don't have to focus much on. Sites such as Mechanical Turk allow you to work on little tasks. Try a few while you are sitting in front of the TV. While you are unlikely to make wads of money doing this, you will be using your downtime productively. Consider what your time is worth before you start working. What is the least amount of money you would be willing to work for per hour? If you are willing to work for a small amount, you'll never be able to make more. It'll be tough to get anyone to pay you ever more. Learning how to make cash online could take a long time. Your best bet for starters is to find others in the industry or niche of your choice and mingle. Get someone to take you under their wing, talk through ideas and opportunities, and then go from there. Keep your mind open, maintain a willingness to learn, and you can make money online soon. In terms of making money online, you should not have to pay money to get started. No company which is legit will ask for money up front. It is probably a scam and you will be out of money. Avoid companies such as these. If you can write well, publish ebooks and sell them online. This is especially effective if you're an authority on a given subject. Recipes are something you could start talking about with your ebook. You could offer advertising space on your page. You can make money from ads that are on your website. If you own a blog or website, there may be people who will pay you for advertising space on your blog. By clicking on this ad, visitors will go to a different website and get to buy services or goods. You should now have more knowledge about how to make money online. Use the information you learned here to start improving your cash flow. Don't stop looking for money-making resources elsewhere online. You could be increasing your earnings potential in no time. Don't forget to like our video.